In this video, I will show you how to build a sleek crypto portfolio tracker using Base44. I'll start by entering a prompt into the builder to create a minimalist dashboard featuring a total balance header, an asset list for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and an add transaction button. Once I submit the prompt, the AI begins generating the application structure, including the layout, custom styles, and specific components like the crypto balance header and the asset table. You can see the files being written in real time as the app comes to life. After a few moments, the interface loads, revealing a clean and professional dashboard that displays a total balance of over $45,000, along with detailed holdings for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'll then navigate to the Publish settings, set the app visibility to public, and click Publish to take the project live. Finally, I'll open the generated URL to view the finished portfolio tracker in a new tab where I can see the live data and the functional Add Transaction button. This tool effectively summarizes complex market data into a clear, actionable overview of my digital assets. It's a fast and efficient way to build a custom financial tool without writing a single line of code. Our portfolio is now live and ready for use. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.